Hey guys, B.O.L.T here. So I'm here at Lake Hope with the Hope Furnace. So historical marker. It's from 1854 to 1874. This was used. One of the 69 charcoal iron furnaces in the famous hanging rock iron region, extending more than 100 miles from Logan, Ohio, to Mount Savage, Kentucky. This area contained all materials necessary to produce high-grade iron. The industrial flourished for over 50 years in mid-19th century, during which time the area was one of the leading iron producing centers of the world, and the charcoal iron industry was responsible for rapid development of southern Ohio, and the romance of hanging rock iron region forms a brilliant chapter in the industrial history of the Buckeye State 182.